Cisco ISE, Meraki MX with MR, using Hotspot, and Meraki's Group Policy. So this is like an advanced ACL, right? So we got a name here, Hotspot-Policy. We're going to set bandwidth limitation on this particular policy, and we're going to deny ICMP 4.4.4. You can see there's other things like enable umbrella protection. You've got some wireless only features as well. So we jump into ISE, and we're going to add an authorization profile. We'll give it a name, and we'll give it Meraki Hotspot permit access. And here we're going to use a filter, an airspace ACL name, okay? And we'll give it a name and we'll hit submit. Once we do that, we're good, right? But it does nothing until we apply it to policy, okay? So let's go back to policy. Remember, this video walking through hotspot configuration was done previously. We go into hotspot guest. This is the redirect. So we don't want to touch this one, but we want to touch, once the change of authorization takes place, we want to remove the permit access authorization profile and now use the Meraki Hotspot permit access authorization profile. And now that's what's going to happen, right? Is that ISE will tell it to, it'll reference that ACL, and Meraki will enforce it. All right, we'll go to radius logs, and let's give this a try. Okay, we'll go to that hotspot. We'll click connect. And we should see, there we go, we should see the acceptable use policy. We'll hit accept here as well. And we have access. So everything's looking good. Now let's test. You can see 1.1.1 is successful, 4.4.4 is unreachable. I thought I'd come in and do a bandwidth test, and you can see it's limited. So there is some throttling here. You can see policy is applied. And if we scroll down, we should be able to see that airspace ACL name. And there it is. Pretty easy stuff.